The Samsung Galaxy A24 is the latest A series from Samsung and is priced at $220 or 169,000 naira. This device aims to offer users an appealing blend of affordability and exceptional features. In this review, we explore every aspect of the Galaxy A24, from the design, the display, the performance, camera capability, and the battery life. Unboxing the A24, you find the device itself. Samsung, like many manufacturers, have adopted the eco-friendly approach, deciding not to include a charger in the box. You also find a USB-C cable, SIM injector tool, and some paperwork. Now let's talk about the design. The Galaxy A24 has an elegant design. Its shiny glass-stick body is a blend of glass and plastic, which gives it a premium look while retaining its durability. It's light and easy to hold and ideal for everyday use. Color options include silver, black, lime, and red, providing users with a variety to suit their style. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner makes unlocking this device a breeze. It's integrated seamlessly with the device. The placement of the buttons and the ports is also thoughtful, making this phone intuitive and easy to use. For the display, the Galaxy A24 boasts a 6.5 inches FHD Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This combination brings a delightful, vibrant, fluid viewing experience, whether you're scrolling on social media, playing game, or watching videos. Samsung's expertise in display technology is visible here. It's crisp, it's bright, and smooth with animations. Under the hood, the Galaxy A24 houses the MediaTek 6789 chipset, paired with 4GB or 6GB RAM. This configuration ensures a smooth performance for most day-to-day tasks, from browsing, social media, to light gaming. This variant comes with 128 storage and is expandable via microSD to 1TB. This ensures plenty of space for all apps, photos, videos, and other files. The RAM Plus feature also helps boost performance, and you can get up to 4 to 6GB additional RAM when needed. In terms of gaming, the Galaxy A24 can handle most graphics-intense gaming like PUBG on HD settings without any issues, thanks to its capable GPU. On Antutu, this chipset scored 396,000. For the camera, the A24 comes with a quite versatile setup. It comes with 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and video digital image stabilization, a 5MP wide sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. The main sensor captures decent, vibrant photos with good lighting, with the OIS and VDIS feature reducing blur and enhancing the clarity of your shots. In real-world testing, the A24 main camera excels in daylight conditions, producing sharp and okay photos. Night mode shots are quite decent but a little grainy. The ultra-wide lens allows great landscape or group shots, while the macro lens can capture interesting close-ups. The 2MP camera captures okay photos in well-lit conditions. It also works well for video calls and delivering okay visuals and decent low-light performance. For the battery, the Galaxy A24 packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising extensive battery life. Even with moderate to heavy usage, the phone could comfortably last a day or two. Although there's no wireless charging supported on this device, but this device supports 25W fast charging. For software and security, this device runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1. The A24 provides a smooth, user-friendly interface that is packed with several handy features which will enhance your overall user experience. Settings like Eye Comfort Shield help reduce eye strain by adjusting screen color temperature based on time or day. Smart View and Quick Share can make it easy for you to connect and share content with other devices. Always on display allows you to quickly check time, notifications, and other settings. Now let's do pros and cons. This device has a 6.5 inches AMOLED display, 50MP main sensor, 5000 mAh battery, runs on Android 13, and has 4-year security updates. Cons: does not include a charger in the box or earbud, it lacks wireless charging, the fingerprint scanner is side-mounted, not in display, and the camera could be better. But despite these cons, the Galaxy A24 is still a worthy contender in the mid-range market. Based on my time spent with this device, I recommend you consider buying the A54 or the Camon 20 Premier instead of this Galaxy A24. Even though it's a great device with impressive specification, I would say on the long run you'll be happy if you bought the A54 or the Camon 20 Premier. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share your thoughts, drop a comment below, and also like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.